Hello everyone, here's my Wednesday Bitcoin update. In the previous video, we talked about this external structure level at 74.9 thousand. Since then, price broke below that level, and we've seen an initial reaction from sell-side liquidity being collected. However, this liquidity grab hasn't generated a new bullish structure yet. After the shift lower, price simply came back and touched this short-term demand zone. Because of that, I haven't opened any Bitcoin long positions yet. For me to consider a long setup with higher confidence, I want to see a clean breakout above 78.1 thousand. The reason is simple. This current demand zone was formed inside a move that failed to create a new structure, which means the probability is relatively lower. In other words, there isn't enough liquidity supporting the move. And even if Bitcoin manages to bounce in the short term, there are still a large number of stop losses sitting above 78.1 thousand. That creates a scenario where price sweeps those stops and smart money steps in with another wave of aggressive selling. If we look at the current short-term market structure, 78.1 thousand remains the final key level within this bearish structure. Because of that, many traders will likely enter longs on the breakout above 78.1 thousand. At the same time, traders who are already short or preparing short positions probably have their stop losses placed above that level. So for me, if I want higher probability on a Bitcoin long, I need to see 78.1k clearly reclaimed first. Now on the downside, if Bitcoin breaks below this 74,000 low, there's also sell-side liquidity resting underneath. So if price sweeps those lows and closes with a strong rejection candle, either a large pin bar or a bullish engulfing candle that completely absorbs the previous bearish candle, I think that could create a tradable long opportunity. These are the key levels I'm currently watching, and hopefully they help with your own trading. Now, since I'm currently holding an XRP short position at the time of recording, let's quickly go over XRP as well. Yesterday I entered an XRP short and price already reached my first target. I've taken partial profits and reduced some exposure. Starting from the 8-hour chart, XRP previously developed a bullish external structure, but eventually broke below the key structural level and confirmed the CHOCH. At this point, if price moves higher, XRP may create another potential short setup near the upper levels. Now let's zoom into the internal structure to understand this current bearish move. This is the 2-hour chart. We had an internal bullish structure that eventually broke lower, and since then price has continued creating BOS and making new lows. Right now, the final key level in XRP's internal structure is 1.38. Only a confirmed break above 1.38 would tell me that internal structure has shifted back to bullish. So for the remaining XRP short position, if price bounces and returns near break even, I'll likely close the rest. If we push into new lows first, I'll take another round of partial profits. And finally, if XRP confirms a breakout above 1.38 and gives a retracement, I'll start looking for a potential long setup. These are the levels I'm currently watching, and I hope they're helpful for your own trading decisions. That's it for today. Just wanted to quickly share the Bitcoin and XRP trading zones I'm watching right now. Hopefully this video helps with your own trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.